Good morning, scholars. Today we're going to continue our treatment of the prologue of Euripides' Heracles Furens, looking at lines 48 to 50. Now, lines 48 to 50 resume the syntactical beginning that started at line 44 before the long parenthetical remark of our previous lecture. So, egode gets picked up 4 lines later by Bomon kates do tonde, soteros dios, honkalaniku doros, agal idrus sato, menuas kratesas, humos eugenes tokos. Again. Bomon kates do tonde, soteros dios, honkalaniku doros, agal nedru sato, menuas kratesas, humos eugenes tokos. As for vocabulary, we start with vωμός, vωμός, which is an alter, and our main verb, katesdo, to set down, to be seated, to take a place at, with the accusative, bomon, to take a place at the altar. Bomon katesdo tonde, soteros dios. Kαλλινῑκος, adorning or ennobling victory. Okay, marking a great victory. Kαλλινῑκος. Then doros, the genitive singular of doru, doru, which is one of the legitimately irregular nouns that Smythe treats at section 285. And then agalma, to algama, to agalmatos, which means a pleasing gift, especially one for the gods. Honkalaniku doros, algal sato. Now, in this line, we have at work syntactically what's called a predicate accusative. So, reading from Smythe 1613, verbs meaning to appoint, call, choose, consider, make, name, show, and the like, may take a second accusative as a predicate to the direct object. So, for example, this first example, he appointed him general. Strategon auton apedexe. And the next example, you were wont to call me father. Patera eme ekalete. And then thirdly, to choose the king of the Indians himself to be the arbitrator. Hairestai auton ton indon basilea dikastein. So he was appointed as general, strategon. He was called father, called me father, and likewise. So here, hon, the accusative relative, which has as its antecedent bomon in the previous line, is the direct object of ιδρύσατο, hon ιδρύσατο, as an algama, kαλλινῑκου doros. So the notion of a predicate accusative is a very important one in both Greek and Latin, and often it's hard for students to get their mind around it. But hon kαλλινῑκου doros agal medru sato. That's what we have going on here. Our verb ἱδρύω in the middle means to dedicate, especially of temples and statues. And here we have ιδρύω sato, the first aorist middle of the third person singular. Then Minyae, hoi Minyae, is a place, again, one of these place names that is in the plural, and it refers to Orchomenus in northern Boeotia, traditionally founded by the Minyaes, was the main rival of Thebes. And this is from Bond. He goes on in his commentary to give a little more information. And so this place gets cited in the Catalogue of the Ships in the Iliad, Book 2, line 511. So Menouas, kratesas, humos, eugenes, tokos. And so just a little geography. You see on this map that right in the center, the lower center, you see Thebai, Thebes. But then off to the left, above the corner of Lake Copais, you have Orchomenus. So this is the place that Heracles is imagined to have conquered. And upon conquering, he set up the spear he used as the main object of this altar at which Amphitryon and his wife and children have taken refuge at the beginning of our play. So kratέω is, of course, to conquer. Eugenes is well-born, of noble race, of high descent. And tokos is one's offspring or son from tikto. Menouas kratesas, humos, eugenes, tokos. And humos is, of course, the putting together of ho and emos. Humos, eugenes, tokos. Okay, so Bomon katis do ton de soteros dios, hon kallinikou doros, agal medrusato, menouas kratesas, humos eugenes tokos. Again, Bomon katis do ton de soteros dios, hon kallinikou doros, agal medrusato, menouas kratesas, humos eugenes tokos. So repeat after me, pausing at the caesura or the natural sense pause. Bomon katis do ton de soteros dios, hon kallinikou doros, agal medrusato, menouas kratesas, humos eugenes tokos. Okay, so leave in the comments any questions you have, if there's anything that's still unclear. Enjoy your day, keep working hard on your Greek, and thank you very much for subscribing. Bye-bye.